Good morning. It's 8:16. We just got out of Chick-fil-A in Davenport. It's right up the road there. We had to come down here and make a U-turn to get back up onto 27. It's February 1st. It's 64 degrees. It's going up to 75 today, or a little bit more than that. It's cloudy, so not too much sun today, but we're going to the Villages. All right. Hour and 28 minutes from now, so we'll get there a little bit after 9:30 or so. Well, we'll see you there. All right, here we go inside. The usual stuff. Let's go take a look and see what we got. Oh, made one pass through already. And didn't find anything. Well, it didn't look very hard. But now I'm going to take some videos here. Got some Lionel right here. Got a test tracks over here with the G scale. Okay, let's go take a look. Big assortment of Oxford cars. I want $13 a piece. These are all HO scale. New releases. Let me see what we got here. Alright. N scale. Amtrak passengers. They've been calling the wrong number for the door prize so far. Let's see if they call another one.
This is a team cooking for me.
Few brass. Oh boy. Here's one. Some LGB and boy. Campbell's.
Big train.
Single track truss. And then a stockyard. And a lot of stuff still on the floor. It didn't fit on the tables all the way down. A lot of old HO stuff.
We do need that one.
Why not, right?
Just a continuation from starting with HO and coming down to O scale here. MTH Big Boy, $1,299. $8.99. Little old DC locomotives. Okay. Some O scale also. Jordan. $10 for one. $12 for that one. Here's an assortment of HO and N scale over here. 135 brass. $95. Some N scale. All right. Here's a Rossi, 145. Here's an old set, $60. Just track. Oh, here goes the old Christmas houses from the 50s. Citrus Model Railroad Club. Okay. Looks like somebody wiped them out over here already. On my first pass, the guy offered him $100 for a whole box of stuff.
My compatriot. Yeah, no. I got great.
50, 25. TSF. Tioga Central. You got some plastic kits and some plastic buildings. Here's a nice little square building. I looked at these earlier, but I got too many of them already. Some wooded scenics scenes. They want $10 a piece for them. $1 this road, $2, $3, $4. Okay. One bridge pier, Chooch Enterprises. Here's some locomotives here. Some DC, some DCC. All right. Good assortment. Everybody's got a lot of stuff that they don't fit on the table. Some already made up stuff. A lot of O scale and S scale here today. Look at that all the way down. G scale 2-truck Shay. Looks nice. I went $350 for it. Okay.
It's Costco. What do you think? It's a Sam's Club, man?
Okay. Rail joiners. All right. Assortment. Zuron. Okay, $16. Bunch of t-shirts. All right, hats. Okay, look at that. Look at that. All the N scale stuff right here. They always have a nice big display here, event scale. Some scenicking stuff over here. Do I need any more rolling stock? I don't think so. I don't have any place to put it. But tempting. Roundhouse. Some more locomotives. Here's all the American Flyer. All right. Tons and tons.
Oh, the Lionel doesn't work. It looks like somebody worked on it, and I took the money and I'm telling I hooked it back or something happened. I don't know, but you know what happens? Yeah. I'll just leave it nice, like you said. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world.
It's all the way up. Okay.
It's something you learn to drive all over the hill. You see a hill, I don't know what's the name of this. You're going to a hill, start pedaling for I'll go downhill, sitting
Here's Redwood handmade by Shane. G-scale. All right. Look at that. Okay, second time around. Kentucky Fried Chicken, Pizza Hut, Brooks, Birmingham, Sprite, Fanta, Tab. All right. Morton Sunmaid. Okay. $75 for all of them.
Could I have your attention, please? The last 3 digits on your red ticket for the 12 noon.
Okay.
All right. We do have a winner.
Queen Anne House. A lot of horn hook. There's a few knuckle coupler. When I was a kid, I had the floodlight car, American Flyer. A lot of larger stuff.
I know my face, but I don't remember this. Yeah. You look like this on each other. We only do one show a year, so.
I'm glad Debbie didn't see all this stuff down here. All the, these are Hallmark ornaments. Oh my goodness. And I told Debbie no more Christmas stuff. But look at that whole box. $7 each. Coming up in the next video, we'll have all the train layouts that were at this show. Okay, here we go. Here's the trains and the refreshments. And on Wednesday, all this stuff over here. Train Show Hall. So until the next time, we'll see ya. And have fun with whatever you're doing. And don't spend too much money on stuff that you don't need. But spend it on what you want.